We are a non-for-profit applied research center that was established as an initiative by the UAE government and the Islamic Development Bank to deal with the challenging conditions of salinization, water scarcity, land degradation, and climatic conditions.
ICBA's mandate is how we can help the smallholder farmers in the region and outside to minimize the carbon footprint through sustainable farming systems. One of these farming systems is the integrated farm. The integrated farms are sustainable farms because we look into how we can maximize the water and the nutrients within the farm. In order for farmers to grow crops, they have to desalinate the saline groundwater. The main disadvantage of the desalination units is the reject brine, which is highly saturated water in salts. Normally, the farmers dump it in the soil, creating a vicious circle of increasing the salinity in the groundwater. ICBA is looking into how we can utilize the reject brine to grow fish like tilapia, sham, sea bass. The water from the fish cultivation, it is rich in nutrients. So we utilize this to irrigate the highly salt-tolerant plants in the field. The manure from the livestock can be used as a compost for the conventional crops cultivation. UAE is one of the countries in the region that the imports are really high. So by providing these multi-source, multi-component farms, we decrease to some extent these imports and to produce local food. These type of systems can reduce the carbon footprint and the utilization of the low-quality water resources, and the recycling definitely has a less burden on the ocean and the seawater basins here in the region. We've been running this aquaculture system for the last 3-4 years now. So this led to an increase of the fish biomass by 300%. One of the goals of the team for the future is how we can also apply this concept for the seawater desalination plants. The integrated farming concept in this case can include more marine species because these are the ones that can really tolerate very high salinities of the reject brine. For example, algae, brine shrimps for biofuel to have fish feed in the end, or any other byproduct that could be utilized for industrial purposes.
We want to advance sustainable agricultural production, so we have to come with new ideas, new technologies, new processes. So innovation is layered and built into all of the steps of what we do.